everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. So we saw this big old box being delivered, and I mean big. So I cut it open. The cat thought he was getting this big ass box. And I was like, what is this? And I had Rob look at the name on the box. He's like, well, it's your name. So give me a minute to get this out of the box, y'all. This is not small. And this box is big. So this is what I got. To do a review from Influencer. Oh, this thing is big. Give me a minute. I'm going to move the thing back. So I had to scoot this back. So this is the Sharper Image Power Boost Roll Multi-Area Massager. Rob has an inside joke on that. That's not PG either. Anyway, so this was the only one that they had left to opt in on. And let me get this out of the box. Here's some instructions. Not with Rob's dirty mind. You nasty. Excellent packaging. Look at that. Oh, the cat's looking like, wait, there's another box. There's another box, Mom. No, Titten, you gotta wait. Boo-boos, you gotta wait. Little boy, you have to wait. There's this booklet. Excuse me, sir. He's trying. You have to wait, sir. Okay, then there's this part. Hold on. No, you gotta wait, sir. You gotta wait. Let Mama get the other component out, and then you can have it. Okay, I gotta get that other part out. The cat's hilarious. So here's the stand, base stand for it to sit in while it's charging. So this is pretty sturdy. It's plastic, it's fantastic. And then you have the charger cord for it, which is is that a common C port? Is it one of the older ones? I'm not sure. Anyway, I think it might be a C port. I noticed some companies are going back to the old school. Anyway, so here's this. Take the little ends off of here. No, Rob, it's not what you're thinking. Then you got the button here. Yes, boo-boos, now you can have it. Ooh, hold on, let me move my hair. My shoulder is still sore. Oh, that's gonna break your bone. I'm sure this has a speed setting. That would be a better speed setting for my back too. So, this is going to come in handy. What about your back, Rob? Move the box out of the way and come here.
Absolutely.
Move the box out of the way and come here. Multi-use, even for Sasquatch. How's that feel? Other than cold.
Good.
So it's good on his back. He has acromegalia. He'll never stop growing. We both used to be the same height. Neat. Straighten the camera. It is what it is. Anyway.
That's awesome.
So you can take it like that on your back. Actually, that feels pretty dang good on my back. So anyway, so thank you, Sharper Image and Influencer, for giving me the chance to opt in on this. And it just sits in its base. so that you can charge it. That's really nice. I like that. This thing is sturdy and it can be plugged in and charged up some more. So remember, you can influence your life with Influencer and stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Man thoughts.